Universal Studios. I didn't even know that was allowed, so that's cool. I know living in New York City, that was not allowed, but obviously I guess at a theme park it's allowed. Or maybe someone literally bought that tool with them and said, kink, and just did like they used to old school, and just opened up the whole fire hydrant. Either way, it was cool to see.
Good evening, Herb. Your signals are coming in fine tonight.
Third salvo, on target.
What about vibration? A radio transmitter could coordinate the movement of troops to keep an unbroken contact between our forces on the ground, in the air, and on the sea.
Mr. Bully, won't you just see right through me? On the dying days when I ask for forgiveness or myself. Hey Mr. Bully, what you think when you push?
So evidently, like I said, you would think there was a hurricane coming, but it doesn't look that bad. It looks like this. Even though the weather told me, oh no, it's just going to be cloudy and 20% chance of rain. I'd never believe it. I still think it's going to rain. But that's probably all we're going to get. So I don't think it's going to get as bad, or else the park wouldn't look like this. See? Whoa, they gave me like a strawberry in there today. What's that all about? Here's what I could do. To take a walk around Diagon Alley for a little while, because I do have this still half full. And I'm not gonna like chug it. So go walk around, it's nice and breezy out. And then I'll go catch the train after I finish this, because I'm not gonna bring this on the train because you can't.
Out of my own head where everything makes sense. Breathing in the lies that keep me open from the truth that keeps me holding on to your loss. What do you think you'll find me when you destroy what is inside me? I'll carry on.
Okay, so I might as well take advantage of my express passes, right? So you can't tell from the walk if you're not a natural Universal goer. I'm headed towards ET. So yeah, let's go have some fun with that. Okay, so ET is temporarily down. So we'll be back for that. But hey, I mean, there's plenty of stuff to do. We're only at one park. It does look windy, dark, and like rain might happen. Let's hope not, fingers crossed. I'll take wind and shade, but let's just leave the rain out today. That'd be great.
Abnormal blood pressure or any similar conditions that may be aggravated by this experience.
At least I'm about to get on it.
Expect.
They probably just watched it.
It's him again. Activate battle shields.
Thanks for meeting the challenge.
Let's head on back to base. You can ride with evac anytime.
And now just getting off of Transformers. Awesome as always. You know, I don't like the way they make Megatron. Like, when I was a kid, Megatron was more thorough, like someone you can fear as a bad guy. But he's like a comic relief now, you know? I mean, did you even see the movies, the lines that they give him? I swear, one of the movies, he yelled out,
"It feels good to grab your flesh."
It feels good to grab your flesh. Like, what is that? Who wrote that? And so I decided to get on the Jimmy Fallon ride. Yeah, I love being in here. Fun fact, I was actually in the NBC building twice in New York City, and it really does look like this. So it's a pretty good replica. I have no idea where to go because it's express. I guess we go this way. Anyways, gonna go ride this. It's so cool.
Say it's over when nothing's closer to what you're fighting for.
How cool is this? It's like the set, right? Like Jimmy Fallon comes out all the way up here to stand and come talk to everybody. That blue curtain. Now, this is cool. I never been here because I've never seen it like empty. So nice to see. Once again, as always, Jimmy Fallon is still an amazing ride. You know, I gotta say, my favorite part about that whole thing is the thank you music. Like just before he goes and does his little blast off into space. That's always gonna be like my favorite spot of that ride, that favorite part. If you haven't been on it, if you know Jimmy Fallon does the thank you music on his show on Fridays, you'll hear it on that ride. All right, so now I'm getting on the train, going over to Islands of Adventure. So, see you there.
Seen it, my bad for falling. I'm far from perfect, but I know what my worth is, more than you're giving. What goes up, comes back down. What goes out, comes around. You're so dumb or reckless, you already reckless. What goes up, comes back down, and your day will come around. I don't wanna fix this, you already like this. Forgot.
Okay, so I now just got off this train ride, and now I'm over here in Hogsmeade, as they say, not Hogwarts. And you know what? It wasn't even that long, so I'm gonna do Express with everything so far. So for now on, I'll just use Express on everything for the whole evening. So this should be fun. So the Velocicoaster is down due to weather, and I'm pretty sure with this whole Elsa talk, that's probably why. But I haven't felt a drop yet. Still counting my chickens. I have a feeling it's coming soon. Even though the weather says 10% chance of rain, 20% chance of rain, that normally means it won't rain in Florida, but I don't know. Like I said, you can't count your chickens. So, Velocicoaster's down though. Now, it's closed, and it even says it's closed. It even has a delay for the weather, but yet there are people still waiting in the line to get on it. Go figure. Hey, dedication, determination, whatever. Now, let's go ahead and just Express King Kong then, or go get on King Kong Express. Now I'm starting to feel a couple of drips, so I don't know. Maybe that's that 20% chance of rain. Maybe it'll just be like drip, drip. And then later on, it'll be like, boom, everywhere. We'll see. Okay, so now I'm on Kong, or about to get on it, but I'm in the Express. Yeah. So, I'm gonna do that with all the rides today. I'm just gonna get on everything Express. Might as well, right? Okay, just getting off King Kong. Like I said, that was another express. That took no time at all. So let's go express the rest of those rides, shall we?
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control.
Okay, so let's do Spiderman Express. It's a 35-minute wait. I don't know what that means for us, you know, because we're Express.
Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes better.
Hey, what's going on? What was that? Well, it's good enough for your sitting duck friend. Have a nice trip. Congratulations, you're a hero. I knew it all the time.
Sweet, oh, I keep on falling. Oh, I like the taste of it.
Okay, so I just did ET. No, I'm sorry. Going to ET now. Excuse me. Going to ET now. Just did Spider-Man. And then I'm going to come back over here and catch a light show. See if that's happening tonight. Supposedly they do like a little thing on the castle, like a projection. But not just like slideshows, like an actual little show thing at night. So we've already watched the cinematic show that goes on in Universal Studios. Tonight we'll watch the fireworks show. Or not the fireworks show, the castle show. And no, I don't mean Magic Kingdom. Okay, so it closes at 10 today. I thought it was closing at 9, but that's this one. So this closes in an hour, and you got 2 more hours over at Alice Adventure. If there is a Harry Potter thing going on, I'll catch it, hopefully. But if it's like till close, like till 10, no, I'm gonna take off. Like, hopefully they start something like that at like 9:30.
They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
See, they're coming at us.
Hold it right there! Whoa!
Got him at the bottom of the hill.
Right there, 4 Roger, 335, clear on 3101 to number 3. Right, kid, into the road! Whoa, watch it! Hey! Stop! Get in the way! Look, they're flying! Yeah! You're right!
I can see my house from here.
Oh, mine too! That's my pool right there. Oh, shit. That's my thing over there.
E.T. Go to Tickley. Hurry. Welcome home, you
My dog.
You have saved our planet. Come, celebrate with us.
all-time favorite ride this park. Oh my god.
Goodbye, friend.
E.T. called me his friend. Whoa. I'm E.T.'s friend. Alright, so I just rode E.T. Now I'm gonna go all the way back to Islands of Adventure. And no, I'm not upset about it. I love walking. You know why I'm going over there? Probably gonna go ahead and get some more Starbucks while I'm at it. And then I'll go ahead and see if I can catch a show. Okay, so it started raining and it's a little bad. So I don't think I'm gonna be here for the night. I think I'm gonna go now. I had fun, you know. Next time I come back, I'll do like everything express, a little more stuff. Oh man, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate all the help and all of the support. I couldn't do it without you guys. And also, I appreciate you clicking that like button and that subscribe button. Can't believe it started raining again. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. See you later. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being there for me.